A wave of cultural concern has swept across East New Britain province this week, following the arrival of African blogger and content creator Diana Daisy-Gau, who is reportedly attempting to photograph sacred traditional identities, particularly the revered Tubuan Secret Society. In a public awareness message that has gone viral on local platforms, community leaders, cultural custodians, and concerned residents have issued a firm call to action. Do not allow any outsider, including content creators, to take photos with or of the Tubuan. Avari ru nake vatikai. This is sacred. The Tubuan, a central figure in the Duk-Duk and Inuit male societies, is one of the most secretive and spiritually respected elements of Tolai custom. Traditionally hidden from outsiders, the Tubuan is not meant to be casually viewed or documented by the public, much less captured in digital media. Despite the modern age of social media and influencer culture, many in East New Britain are drawing a clear line between cultural preservation and content exploitation. While tourism brings opportunity, it must not come at the cost of our identity, said a respected elder from the Ralwana area. The Tubuan is not for entertainment. It is spiritual, ancestral, and deserves absolute respect. Concerns were raised that taking photos of sacred elements without proper understanding or permission is not only offensive, but can bring shame and cultural harm to communities. We must stand together now. We cannot sell our birthright for content likes or foreign validation, one youth leader added. For centuries, the Tubuan has remained a private guardian of custom, justice, and male initiation rites. It is only revealed during specific rituals and festivals, and even then, under strict cultural protocols. Many believe that exposing it to foreign eyes or sharing it publicly online disrespects generations of tradition. The community is therefore asking all tour guides, hospitality workers, and village locals to politely decline any requests for photos with sacred cultural items, educate visitors about the importance of respecting local customs, prioritize preservation over popularity. Let's all stand together to protect our cultural heritage, for our ancestors, for our future. Boina Tuna. The Tubuan is not for show. It is sacred.